I will not give to a woman a pessary to produce abortion with purity and with holiness. I will pass my life and practice my art.
I will not cut person laboring under the stone, but believe this to be done by men who are practitioners of this work. Into whatever houses I enter, I will go into them for the benefit of the sick and will abstain from every voluntary act of mischief and corruption and further from the seduction of females or males or freemen and slaves, whatever in connection with my professional service or not in connection with it. I see or hear in the life of man which ought not to be spoken of abroad.
I will not divulge its reckoning that all sorts should be kept secret. While I continue to keep this oath unviolated. May it be granted to me to enjoy life and the practice of the art respected by all men in all times. But should I trespass and violate this oath, may the rivers be my Lord. I swear.
Thank you.
बेटा और के सबसे पहले लाला को डिग्री दे दो